Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve your Twitter keeps crashing. To not fix or to solve Twitter keeps crashing, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to Twitter. Here in this page we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.